how you can steam clean your oven. So all you need to do is to use your baking sheets and add here some water. So if we heat our oven, it's gonna create some steam. So I'm gonna do it right now. So I added some water here and I want to also add some white vinegar. It should be fine. And now you want to put this baking sheet into your oven. Place it somewhere in the middle and now close the lid. I got the Gorenje oven and I want to turn on cleaning process. So on the left, it's this little icon. If you don't have this icon here or you have older oven, you can just turn it on and turn it on 20 or 200 degrees Celsius. So I'm gonna turn it on, increase the heat, and now simply turn it on. And now wait at least 30 minutes. So I'm gonna be back in 30 minutes. Now the water is boiling and it's creating steam. Be careful if you open the door, it can hurt you. Now I'm gonna turn it off. And again, if you open the door, make sure to not stand over here because big steam will flow up and it can hurt you. So let me just grab this. Oh shit, it can really hurt you. And now you can wait until your oven gonna cool a little bit and then you can clean the inside of the oven. I can clean the door now and as you can see it's going pretty easily, just a few slides and this is it. Also a little tip, give here some towel so the water will not overflow your oven, because if you're gonna clean inside of your oven, the dirty water can spill here and you don't wanna clean that. Now you can finally wipe your oven and you are done. Make sure to clean it correctly and that's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.